I'm going to go over a quick example of how to reduce an index. So I'm going to write that down, reducing the index. Here's an example. Let's say you have the sixth root of a to the eighth power times b squared. Can this be written with an index that is less than 6? Well, this is where rational exponents come in. This is the same thing as saying a to the eighth power b squared to the 1/6 power. These are equivalent expressions. Instead of writing it in radical form, we're writing it in rational exponent form. Now I'm going to use the power to a power property of exponents. That's where I multiply each exponent, the 8 and the 2, by 1/6. So we have a to the, now 8 times 1/6 is 8/6. We have 8/6 times, now this would be b squared times 1/6, so 2 times 1/6 is b to the 2/6. Now those two fractions, the 8/6 and 2/6, they simplify. 8/6 is the same thing as 4/3, so this would be a to the 4/3 power. And this over here would be b to the 1/3 power. Right? Now we're going to do the same thing we did before at the beginning, only we're going to do it in reverse. This is equal to parentheses a to the 4th, b to the 1st power to the 1/3 power, right? Now I put b to the 1st, I didn't really need to because b to the 1st power is just b, but I'm putting it here just to just as a placeholder. Now we can write 1 to the 1/3 power in radical form with an index of 3, and that's the new index. So we have the third root of a to the 4th times b. I won't write b to the 1st, I'll just write b. So these two expressions are equivalent, only this one has a reduced index of 3.